Let's show you something which sort of looks to the future a little bit. You see, stocks move in different timescales in the sense that some will drop sooner than others. Some might not drop at all. I want to show you Adobe, and you can see this trend line going back all the way up to January 2017. There's a nice little trend. It's going up and up and up, and it's broken below it. Now, you might move that green line a little bit lower. You might move it higher. I don't really care. What I care about is, well, let's see what's then happened. Now it's most definitely penetrated below. So one thing that we can certainly say is, well, where are we now? We are at a 60% drop in that, albeit we're only at 2018 levels. Why am I showing this? Well, what I'm showing is this is what happens when all bets are off, because once it's penetrated below that, even if it hadn't already hit our stop loss of 25% from the peak, the fact that it's dropped below that would mean that we're stopping in any event. And not only that, were there any clues? Well, like I've always said, the speed at which you see this dropping, look at that, the speed at which you see the monthly MACD dropping, that angle there, not too soon. We don't want to pick it up here or pick it up there. We're talking once it's really started accelerating, that ain't going to stop anytime very soon, and it's done the meat of the move. So the issue then arises, well, when is this going to stop? Well, let's just wait and see, because that's oversold and might start rising. That's oversold, that's oversold. And I tend to look at history with these things, and there isn't really a comparable history with that sharp a fall. So for those which haven't yet fallen 60%, this is what it might look like. Some are going to be still up here. Others are already down here and have done the business and might start going up. I'm not saying Adobe, it's time to buy or anything. I'm just giving you an analysis of what this looks like. Not everything's going to fall like this, but some things might still be holding on. They haven't quite given up and breached. Think of it like, different sections of an army. Some have already capitulated and surrendered. Others are yet to do it, and others might not do it at all. Okay, but this is what capitulation and surrender looks like, and the telling thing is what happened there with the MACD. So for those who don't understand why we have a stop loss, which is 25% from the peak, well, now you can see why, because this is what happens, and stocks don't just all move up and up and up.